Robotech, how's it going? Fanny Slam, hello. Green shirt stream, yes, it is indeed. How's it going, Half Moon? Okay, so I wasn't gonna do any I wasn't gonna work on the game today. I think the demo is mostly complete, but I do want to do some administrative stuff, and I thought we could work on the overlay just a bit too. Hmm. You know what I might actually do for this green screen thing? Buy the demo. Yeah. I could also just put on this shirt over. 5 minutes, yeah, true. Looking good, snug cardigan. Yeah. Factory reset him. How's it going? Okay. Um. So yeah, I haven't decided what we're gonna do today, but we're gonna do it. Um. Okay. Yeah, some overlay stuff, maybe some administrative stuff. I do need to email some peeps, some people. But yeah, let's get to it. We'll open up Godot. Godot 4. Gonna go lurk. All right, sounds good, Half Moon. Okay. All right. I do want to update the dragon and everything, but I don't think we're gonna do that right now. I think what we're gonna do first is I want to get some administrative stuff out the way first. So I want to get I want to email. I just want to email one publisher. I want to get back to them, tell them we have a demo out, and then also try to. And I think I already have the email written out. Let me see if I can find that. Thank you for your interest. I think this is it. Our public demo showcasing the next, the first six chap. Our public demo showcasing the first of six chapters can be found on Steam. We'd love to showcase the entire game and all of its features in a private call. This would be a great opportunity for us to discuss our potential relationship. Yeah, I think honestly this is really good. So I want to send this to them first. I've ignored them for like a week now. So here, give me 1 second. Let me just open up my email, send it to them, and then we'll do some dev or figure out some other administrative stuff we want to do. Okay. But yeah, happy Sunday or Monday night for those of you living in the future. It is currently 8 p.m. for me. We just had our time change. Usually it would be 7 p.m. for me right now, but it's currently 8. Diaretti, how's it going? Diaretti. Okay. Where is... I think I started, so let me see if I could just find my stars. I believe it's these guys. Yeah, okay. Yeah, they sent me an email 8 days ago, and I still haven't responded, but whatever, that's fine. Ramadan Mubarak to all Muslims. I see. Happy... I don't know much about Islam, but yeah, happy Ramadan. For a split second, I thought I was first because I saw it said 0 viewers. You know, it's weird. I feel like, yeah, Twitch has been super delayed lately. Loving the demo for sure. Getting the game I need to play. Oh, hell yeah! I'm glad. I'm glad you like it. All right, so I just need to send this email. I already have the template. I just need to send it real quick. And I guess just include my links again to them. Best regards, Practical NPC High Overlord, High Elder Lord. I'll just say best. All right, there we go. All right, High Top Hat Studios. Thank you for your interest in Memoria. Our public demo showcasing our first. Okay, let me just give them the link to my Steam page. So you know what I always found weird about like time zones in the United States, or at least with the East Coast, we say EST, but we also say EDT. And I think right now we're in EDT, which is like, yeah. Oh, I was literally just talking about that. Standard time and daylight time. I see. So yeah, now it's EDT, which is weird. Which is okay. I'll have to say that too. I have an email that I sent over to because now it's EDT, right? Standard Daylight Time, or East Daylight Time. I guess that's what it stands for. It's easier to just use ET phone home. How's it go? Oh, Manodano, how's it going? I think I saw it. I didn't pop by because I didn't want to just savings versus daylight. I see. Okay. ET sounds good, but I'm just gonna say EDT right now. And I'll have to tell everyone who, you know, I just need to clarify it with them that it's EDT now. But yeah, how's it going, Manodano? What are we up to? Sorry, I'm sending an email, so I'm like just double checking it, and then we're gonna do some real game dev. All right. You know it's weird. Oh no, never mind. We're good. Okay. So I think we solved all of the bugs on stream yesterday. For the most part, I know Mello mentioned this bug yesterday, but so far I think they've said that they haven't experienced it at all. So I'll leave it like this, but I think we might be good. GUI glitches. I think I fixed this as well. Yeah. I think I definitely fixed this. Unless I don't know. He said that there was still bugs, but I don't think he played the updated version. I'm pretty sure I fixed all of this. Baldur. Oh yeah, I did see you were playing Baldur's Gate. How is it? How goes it, NPC? How goes it, Will Time? Nom Nom, how's it going? Welcome. Pocky Socks. Oh, you started streaming as I started down. Oh, nice. It's terrible. It's very good. You know, I have this weird relationship at the moment with Baldur's Gate because I'm playing with like friends, and like I promised I wouldn't go past, like I loved like I never played any of the Baldur's Gate, but I loved Divinity Original Sin too. And I played like the hell out of it. Like I definitely played almost like every ending. But I promised I would not go past where we are with my friends. So I'm like holding myself back all the time. But it's also been it's been discouraging me because now I don't know. I feel like with the I can't just like hold back, you know? I want to just play the whole thing all in one go. Like give me one weekend. I won't sleep and I'll just beat it, or I'll play through everything. Um did I finish the horror game last night? No, I didn't. Honestly, I didn't like it. It was cool, but I don't like horror games that it's just like a collection simulator. Find the item, find randomly generated or like randomly placed items throughout the map and avoid the monster. Like I don't know, it's boring. Or I've just played too much of it, too many games like that. So yeah, I liked the idea, but yeah, I think I need more to a horror game. Love Divinity. Yeah, Divinity was awesome. Baldur's Gate is pretty good too so far. You'll need 5 weekends in this game. Yeah, it does. We're still in Act One, so I have like 40. I think I have almost like 40 hours in it. We're still in Act One. But to be fair, whenever I play with my friends, it takes us like anywhere from 30 minutes to like 2 hours to even get on the same page. It's kind of ridiculous. Oh, thanks for shouting out, man. I forgot to shout out Metadona. Tom Millman, how's it going? But yeah. So let's see what we can do today. But yeah, in my playthrough with friends, we just there's a significant thing you can do at the Grove, and we did that. Speedrunning event preparation. But yeah, thank you again for the raid. Just passing by. I gotta run very soon. Oh, no worries. Thank you for stopping by. Gotta run out of that house in 10. All right, sounds good, Fanny Slam. Divinity Original Sin 1 and 2 are wonderful. Yeah, I haven't played 1, but I'm sure I would like it. But yeah, 2 came out like at a point where I wanted to play it, and I just went through with it. Same thing with 2. I think I was supposed to play it with a bunch of friends, and then we never played it. There's a new bug post. All right, I'll look into it. Give me 1 second. So today is 3/10/24. So on Monday we're gonna do some of the. I think I already wrote everything for the speedrunning event, but I want to make a post about it and everything like that. They're totally playable in any. Oh, okay, that's good to hear. All right. So, yeah, I'm gonna make an update to our overlay. I'm gonna polish it some more. It would be cool if we added a shader to our overlay as well. Like I was thinking, the same stars that is in memory, we could throw into the overlay here. So instead of it just being blue, it'll be like stars moving around. It'd be like kind of cool. I think we'd have to replace everything in our overlay though, because like right now you might see that like for instance the text up here and the text on the left here is it's part of OBS. The only thing that is currently existing in the overlay is like the thing on the top and then the dragon and bar on the bottom. Okay. But yeah. Anywho, overlay. We're gonna do push up, update. We're almost done with our push-ups too. We're at 644 push-ups. That's kind of crazy. Push-up update on time run out. I should make a Linux build of my overlay for the new stream PC. Nice, yeah. I'm currently using OBS. Oh, sorry. I'm using Godot to make my overlay, which has been pretty cool. And there's this cool Stream Deck plugin that allows you to send signals to your OBS to your program. So it's kind of cool. Like anything I can do with my Stream Deck, I can sort of apply it to the overlay, which I think is really cool. I think at some point I want to mess with like Twitch integration. I think that would be a lot of fun too. I tried doing it a while back, and I don't know. I had some issues connecting or like making it work. Like just even connecting to Twitch. So I'll have to revisit that at some point. I've just been focusing on Memory for so long. I streamed on Debian 12 and it sucked maintaining the stream. This Stream Deck has official support for Linux. Has no official support. I see. Yeah, I was thinking if I ever did switch to like streaming on Linux, I feel like I would just use a separate machine and like remote to that machine. I'm not sure. Because I would hate for there to be some sort of like, I'm not sure yet. Don't say that to me. I'm $120 deep into this build. Oh no. All right, push up update. I guess we'll figure it out. I'm sure we can have fun. I wasn't planning on streaming today, but I was thinking of just like having fun on stream, messing with things, maybe just like seeing what we can get to do. So yeah, let's get to it. Hope everyone's having a great Sunday. I guess we'll figure out more things to do. I'm trying to think if there's any administrative stuff that I need to do. I think I want to do more reach out. Tomorrow I'm gonna on stream. We'll probably do more admin stuff. Oh, also another admin thing I want to do today. I'm probably gonna make this post later, but I want to make a Twitter post on public demo. All right, and also today's this week is the final week of the Kickstarter, so I think I'm gonna be streaming like 12 hours a day, or like 8 to 12 hours a day, along with I think I'm gonna do a 24-hour stream on the final day. Let me see something. I'm not sure what my the exact time is. I believe it's the 17th at 5 p.m. I believe is the last the final hour. So I think we can either do a 24-hour stream on Friday or a 24-hour stream on Saturday. Ideally, it would have been nice. It would have been really cool if I streamed on a 30-day month. But that way it could have been a Friday, but that's okay. Hot Noodles Remia, how's it going? Friday to Saturday 24-hour stream? Maybe. So the last day is Sunday though. So I wanted to stream into the final hours of the Kickstarter. But we'll see. Maybe I'll do a 12-hour stream on Friday and then a 24-hour stream on Saturday. But the competition is going to start on Friday, by the way, the speedrunning event. So maybe that's what we'll do. 12-hour stream on Friday and then 24-hour stream on Saturday. Going into Sunday. That's the plan so far. How's it going, Irad? Shouldn't you be sleeping? How's it going? You're more than welcome to be here. I'm concerned. You should be. Speed walking is even better. Yeah, we'll make it a speed walking event. But yeah, let me see. I believe it's the 17th. 6 days to go. Oh my god, that's so scary. March 17th at 6 p.m. EDT. All right. March 17th at 6 p.m. Yeah. All right. We got this. This is the final lap. You are rightfully concerned. Yeah. What the hell? What time is it? What time is it over there? Don't speedwalkers look like they're gonna crap themselves? Maybe. Okay, so we're gonna do something with our time. Honestly, should I clean up? Like, dude, this looks disgusting. Like, this is a terrible looking UI. Like, I would not want to. I was gonna give this to Ktronics, so that they could so that he could use it on his stream, but I don't even want to. I don't even want to share it because it looks disgusting. Maybe we should clean it up. Oh, it's not too. Oh, it's only 1:30. Dude, I don't know why I thought it was like much later. Don't be concerned about NPC. He's a degenerate. True. It's true. I'm a degenerate. You know, time I went to sleep yesterday. Take a guess. All right. So where is this countdown? Is this its own scene? It is. You slept in the morning? I did sleep in the morning. That is true. What time in the morning? All right, you don't have to guess. It was like I want to say it was like almost 10 p.m. or 10 a.m. 9 or 10 a.m. But to be fair, it was daylight savings, so it would have been 1 hour less than that. Okay. So our base time, we say total time is equal to 0. Or I update label. On update label, we just say is equal to calculate run. I guess we could do it. Whatever, I'll do it here. We'll just say total time, or if total time is equal to 0. Should we emit a signal? Like, yeah, I think we'll just emit a signal. Timeout. Or what should I say? Time. Push-up time. Dude, I cannot spell. Pizza time. Signal. Ooh. Make the overlay juggle. You know, it'd be cool if I did like Oh, you know, it'd be really cool if like there was screen shake. Wasn't it the morning for all of us? You talking about the end? Well, I ended my stream and then I was still up for a while. Shaky, shaky. Still a very good sleeping schedule. You know, again, I don't really care about my sleeping schedule. It is what it is. The only thing that's inconvenient, I would say, is for some people who are used to my earlier schedule. But if you're around my stream often, you'll know that I'm very inconsistent with the times. Like, we'll stream for a long time, so depending on where you are in the world, you'll probably see my stream. It's just that, I think over time we keep going up and up in hours. So like, I always start like, I'll start at 5, then 6, then 7, then 8, and we'll just do the complete full cycle until it becomes a normal human cycle, or normal human hours. But then, and then it restarts. That's just how it is around these parts. A warning on the game, and not on the game, not for the, not screen shake on the game. Screen shake on my overlay. Also, what was the bug? I don't see any bug reports. Oh, I see now. Character stuck. Just started the demo for some reason, only moving the camera. Hold Alt. Okay, so this is. Oh, I should technically fix that. Yeah. I added that as a feature, but there was never any UI for that. So yeah, that's a good idea to fix. I'll leave this open. It's technically, yeah, I should fix this. The music on stream may be too loud. It might be, but it's not. Right? I'll lower it a bit. Luxury Wagon, may I ask the dimensions of your main character sprite? The dimensions of my main character sprite, I believe, is like 8 by 12 or something like that. But I'm going to increase it a little bit. It might be like 10 by... I don't remember, actually. I'm increasing the ratio a little bit to make it more boxy, but also taller. Closer to 16, I believe. I think I'm going to be doing like 12 by 16. Interesting, that's tiny, yeah. Oh, why did I do that? Oh, we're about to have to do push-ups anyway. Did we actually do anything? Okay, push-up time. All right. I do want to clean up this script, but I don't know. I think at some point, because we're almost done with the Kickstarter, after the Kickstarter, I'm going to have to figure out, what do we even want to do with this? Like, should I convert this into, like... I don't like the idea of promoting subs. Maybe I'll just make this into, like, a follower goal thing, and then for every follower, I'll do 1 push-up. I mean, that'd be kind of cool, I guess. Or, like... Hmm. Maybe like for every, because I do want to push viewers too. So maybe I could do like for every viewer at the timeout, I'll do that many push-ups. But that's a lot. That's like that could be too much for me to do. Or actually, maybe I set this timer to like every hour, and then every hour, like depending on how many viewers are on that timeout, I have to do that many push-ups, and then but within the next hour. So it's like a thing, and then to make things more exciting, if like I don't do that many push-ups by the end of the stream, I have to like give away like subs or something, or maybe what could I do? I mean I could do subs, but I maybe I'd lose a lot of money. Risky. Yeah. I mean, we'll see. I don't know. All right, let's do what we got to do now. You have a lot of faith in my push-up skills. I just want to keep things exciting. Like, obviously, I'm doing this to promote the Kickstarter, but I do like this idea. Although, I'm not sure. I do like it. But I don't know. I don't know if people like it. Planks. We could do that. We could do that too. Like have additional things to do. But also, I don't know. I feel weird that like I don't necessarily want to assume people want to watch me do. But like this is a game dev stream after all. All right. I can't really do anything that requires too much movement because I live on the second floor of like an old house. So like, I don't know. I wouldn't want to like, shake the house. Okay. Why is my timer not going out? I think do I have it minimized? Huh. You know what I think it is? I think because I have this. I think because I have this open. It's not pushing it to my current display here. Let me see. I guess I'll have to close Godot. Or maybe I don't close anything and I actually close this one. And we'll keep it from the editor for now. Why am I blurry? Ori music. Make it out. What the hell's going on? There we go. Okay. We're at 664 push-ups. That's close call. How's it going, Pigorly? Oh, dude, I'm like half transparent. Mm-hmm. I've never seen it. I've never seen the anime, but I do like the song. What? It's true. You're young though, I get it. Yeah. I mean, I don't think that's. I wouldn't say that's the excuse, but sure, we'll say that. Do we have a reference to this? Push-up total. Oops. What would be cool? What would be a cool sound for this? Let me see. It's gonna be loud. I already know. Here, let me lower this. Oh no! Oh god. These are not push-ups. Hmm. More footwork? Oh yeah, that would be good actually. That's so much though. But that'd be good, like, actually, you know what, fuck it. Let's do it. It's a little early for St. Patty. True. It is a little early. I don't think I've ever celebrated St. Patty's Day. Holy shit. That was loud. Let me see, like -10. More passion. More energy. Alright. Now we just wait. Now we just wait for the timer to go. I assume it's just gonna work, but oh wait, no, I have to run it again first. Should I make another signal that says like connect oh, we do have a connect to stream and we have a reset time. We can do another one. We're not checking for the input string inputs on key down. Oh, I see. We're connecting push up. Okay, here. Let's. I guess we could do. I could go on my stream deck. Here, let's do this right now. I'm just gonna make another button for now. How's it going, Cricket? Yeah, I'm gonna put this over here. I'm just gonna call this test, time test. All right, so this should just set our time. More energy. There it is. All right, well, let me go back. I don't know how much time we. It was like what, like maybe 10 minutes? Have you played the Stanley Parable? Yeah, I have. I think they made some updates to it, though. I haven't played those. Should I be unreadying all your variables? It's if you're going to be accessing them a lot, it's a good idea. Otherwise, you're constantly using, like, this is short for like get like get node. I have not played the Ultra Deluxe version. I played it a long time ago. Like, if you only, for instance, if you only need a node like in your ready variable, then it's okay to just say get node here. But like, for instance, if we're constantly checking, or if we're constantly playing the animation node or calling the animation node, then it's probably a good idea to create a variable for it. Mm, 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 mm. Okay. All right, I'm trying to think if there's anything else. Oh, we did want to do some other stuff. So right now we're saying if our time is equal to 0, we send a signal to play the sound. What we should do is also say, like, we should also make another signal that says past 5 minutes or something. Or like maybe we should late push-ups or something like that. Yo, how's it going, Falanier? Speaking of, Falanier is the one who showed us the Stream Deck plugin with Godot. So we all have Falanier to thank. We're currently working on our overlay at the moment. I'm almost done with my plugins. Nice. Hell yeah. So maybe we should have like var late push-up threshold. What's 60 times 5? 300. 300 seconds. I'm looking at the stream counter. It took you 260 for memory to get to this point. I wonder what memory was on day 100. I'm reaching the 100 dev session for my. It did not take me 100 days to make this game, or did not take me 262 games, 362 streams to make this game. No, The number started. Me counting my streams started after my next fest, which was in June. I believe June 16th, 2023. So, yeah. I just thought I should start counting, but yeah, I did not start. It would have been cool. We could technically count our streams based on my VODs on YouTube. Um, but yeah, even then I started the streams. Even then I like started working on this game before that. So yeah, I wonder how many videos are on my stream actually on my YouTube. That'll be a better indicator of like how many streaming sessions it took. I think it's probably in the thousands. No, not in the thousands. In the 1000s. No, not even. What the hell? Only 638. Okay. So like this number is probably close to like 600, I would say. Remember you mentioned, yeah. Only 400 buckaroos. Yeah, only 400. That's only 400 bucks. That's only 40 copies of memory. It's only what? 40 times 10,000. How much is 40 times 10,000? It's only 400. Really? No, I think there's another zero in here. It's only 4 million fake internet points. I thought, okay, so it was, and then someone took it back. Someone unpledged. So yeah, I got excited. From the good news, and then someone took the. Yeah. So, but it'd be weird for me to take down the post and then make it again. So we'll celebrate early. Yeah. It is what it is. We'll celebrate early, and then we'll get excited. We'll have a mini celebration once we hit it again. How's the prep? So I have like the numbers or like everything set up. I'm waiting on like feedback from playtesters. I mean, so we got a decent amount of feedback, on Friday. I believe I fixed all the bugs or most of the bugs. There are some minor bugs that I'll still fix, but in terms of like speedrunning, quality of life, restarting the game, recording all of the data, I think it should be good. I'll do some more play testing. I'm sure people will send some feedback too. But yeah, I think we'll definitely be ready by Friday. But yeah, so far I haven't really received any serious bugs. So I think we'll be good. But yeah, I'm excited for this Friday. Also, I was actually gonna ask you, Hellraiser, if you were interested in doing something on Friday. We can like similar to what we did the other day. We can have another like live, like almost like a grand opening to the speedrunning event, if you're interested or if you have the time. If not, that's also fine. I'll be also streaming on Friday, or sorry, on Saturday. Well, I'll be streaming the whole week, but yeah, I was thinking of doing something on Friday as as we opened up the competition. And I'm not entirely sure how long it's gonna be. I was thinking either 2 weeks or yeah, I think 2 weeks, 2 or 3 weeks. Um, Actually, yeah, I think 2 weeks is good. 2 weeks is good. Oh, and also for anyone interested, the art competition. Not sure how long it is. Let me see. I like connecting for a speedrun. Hell yeah, I'm glad. Um, so yeah, we can. I'll send you like a DM closer to the day. Um, but yeah, we can either do like a multi-stream sort of thing, or we can just do a Discord, whatever you're interested in doing. I'm gonna try my best to like push the event a little bit more. Blue Lives Matter, 89. How's it going? Interesting name. This is usually when this happens, it's someone trying to really troll. And there it is. All right. Well, I'm sorry for anyone who had to deal with that. I was actually just thinking about that with you and Falanier, because I know Falanier started blocking people's 88 must have been taken. Yeah. Um, or maybe that's just the number. That's the amount of accounts that have been made so far. Yeah, you anonymize followers. That I think that's they must have been banned 89 times. Yeah, it's funny. Like it's funny. Like that type of person does like that's how they interact. Like the second one, it's like they start the stream or they follow and then they do all of um the commands. You know, it's like don't you have anything better to do? It's probably edgy children, to be honest. Yeah, probably. Looking for children. Oh, for attention. Yeah. But yeah. Um. Yeah, it actually into perspective, Falanier, for me. Like, I haven't really thought about that until you mentioned it on your stream. Like, of course, I know there are, weird people on the internet, or even bad people on the internet. I think I've been exposed, or I guess sheltered, for so long on this stream, where I feel like most people are really cool, and I haven't had to deal with it too much. But yeah, like I guess the more you stream, it's like the more it's going to happen. And I think we can handle it, but yeah. I typically don't get it, but I have it just in case. Yeah, fair enough. New topic. I doubled my machine's RAM. CPU might be a bit slow still, but I've got an upgrade pending since it's more involved than throwing in a couple of sticks. I see. Baby Gronk mewing, yeah. Oh yeah, welcome everybody to welcome Well Time, a new fellow mod on the around these parts. running Chrome and a bigger game, some Photoshop / 3D mod. I see. Yeah, and I was also just telling like Whale Time too. Like it doesn't happen that often, but here, a day later or the next stream later, it happened. Usually we don't get people like that on our stream. But yeah, of course it's not something that's really in our control. And it'll help me with the new effect in my stream. A new effect. Hell yeah. I know you've been working with Godot too. I know, like, yeah, also Hellraiser. I know if you ever need or want help with any of your projects in Godot, you're more than welcome to ask. I've been doing this overlay thing with Godot. That's what we're actually working on stream today. Although I kind of want to add features, but I don't even know what features to add. The only feature that we have right now is when our timer hits 0, it makes an announce plays a little sound. I just realized we could have just put the sound in here instead of sending a signal to our sounds here. Like there's no point in separating the two, but I need Godot help. Well, honestly, today is a really good day to ask because I'm not really doing much. I kind of just started the stream because I was like, let's chill. Something about a new follower. Well, not really. They're not really a follower. It's just an internet troll. Something that's, bound to happen from time to time. So honestly, I'm actually surprised it doesn't happen more. I'll say that. I think for as many weird things that exist on the internet, I'm surprised we don't get more people like that. But I guess they, I think they tend to, gravitate towards people they think they'll hurt. In a sense, like, I don't know. I think, I think they want a reaction, right? They get dopamine from the reaction of people, and I mean, we're not going to give them. I mean, we're going to talk about it, but I think we can be civil about it too. Yeah, they want to They want a reaction. He was banned 911 times. Interesting. You know what's funny? I wonder if it's like the same person, because like we had someone like that maybe like a month ago, and they interacted the same exact way with like they had an offensive name, they followed, and then they used all of my they used all of the free rewards that you get in the beginning, and then they'll say something racist or offensive or anything to like shock the community. I think sometimes like I want to give someone the benefit of the doubt and be like, hey, maybe I shouldn't ban, but like, I think now that I see it, I mean, statistically it's happened only twice, or it's only happened twice. But yeah, the second I saw that name and then I saw them doing the rewards, I was like, oh, this is already not good. And then the second they said what they said, I was all right. Well, there it is. So I think now, as a brand new streamer, my first sub was a troll. That sucks. I'm sorry to hear that. I was hoping you weren't gonna let a name like that stay here. You made me proud. Oh, thanks, Fallon. I also have I think I have a hard time, and this is something bad for me. Like, I'm not proud of this, but like I have a hard time. It's a part of the lore now. Yeah. I have a hard time like not wanting to ban people, but yeah, I do have to ban more for sure, especially for people around here. Like for me, I like if someone says something offensive towards me, it's like it's whatever. But yeah, like once it starts spreading to you guys, I think that's when it can be. It's definitely unacceptable. But I hope you guys also I guess it's hard to expect from you guys too. But yeah, just know like these people are trolls. That's all it is. Yeah, exactly. I actually ban more creepy behavior. Interesting. I guess I want to ban more creepy behavior or like weird people. For me, it's just like I don't know. I find I guess because I think like, oh, you're not technically banning any rules, so I shouldn't ban you. But I don't know. I think I will start. Instead, you modded them. Yeah. Hey, this guy's weird. Let me mod them instead. If you find it weird, just ban them. Yeah, I think we will start. Um, we will start banning more. That ban hammer. I think I just need to figure. Okay, so that for sure is bannable, like almost immediately. And what I'll say is like written rules are a privilege. Rules come down to the streamer's thoughts. Yeah, no, I agree. I need a on physics process for a flashing effect. So I used to. There are easier ways. There are easier ways to like make certain. I used to do animations with physics process, but it's honestly so much easier if you just use an animation player. Just because yeah, putting in the physics process can be annoying. I used to do it that way though. Am I getting a ban? What did I miss? I was annoying Cricket and Munglo. Good. Green shirt with green screen. It's very bold. Yeah, it is. I had to update my green screen a little bit actually. I was half transparent. I was wearing a sweater over this too. Next thing I see, IRED is also a mod. But yeah, I do it like, yeah, I'll figure out more things to ban people for, or like not that I want to ban people, but yeah, weird people and obviously trolls should definitely go. Is Redstone a mod here? No, he's not. I know he should be though, right? You should use the 95%. Dude, you know, actually, it's not a bad approach because as long as you mod someone as they come in, there's no way, there's no way to like. I would be afraid of if you had someone who had an ill intent. But if you mod everyone as they come in, there's no way for them to ban each other. So honestly, it's not a bad approach. I think they could, can mods change the title of a stream? Like, what's the worst thing a mod can do if they had some sort of ill intent? Editors can. I see. Okay. They can delete chat. Okay. I mean, if you know, I guess that's not too bad because like if you notice someone as being you're planning on having a reading for the viewers to shut down the stream, mute everyone. 95 mod. Mute everyone. That's a interesting approach you have, Irad. I'm glad to be a part of it. For those of you who want to be a mod on a chat, if you want to troll someone's stream, head on over to Irad's stream for like literally just while he's streaming, like the first 2 seconds, just say, "Hi, what's going on here?" And then he'll just be like, "Oh, a new person. Let me mod you." All right. But yeah, luxury wagon. If you have anything in particular that you want, like a flash, you said a flashing effect. I think it's better if you use an animation player. Probably it depends, I guess, on what you're trying to do, but usually an animation player of some kind would probably be better. But yeah, we don't really have anything special to do today. So I wonder what could we do today that would be fun, like a cool little project maybe, or honestly, oh, speaking of, by the way, I don't know if you guys, I'm sure some of you know Lilybite. They released a new game recently. Boom, 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 boom. I just bought it too, actually, but I'm gonna play it tomorrow because I think there's gonna be an update made today or tomorrow. I also have to play Alpine Lake by I was gonna play it on stream, but I don't think Booyah Grandma wants me to play it on stream. Have you tried the sheepy? I did. Were you the one who recommended it? Cat pie. If you were, it was really good. I liked it. I really enjoyed it. It made me think about the audio in my game. It was so good. The audio was really good. The music was good. The story was good. The art was good. It was really good. Highly recommend Sheepy, a short adventure. Yeah, honestly, it was. It shouldn't have. It was a really good game. It was short, but like I think it was the perfect amount of gameplay. And dude, I was playing it and I was like, dude, this game is boring. Like I loved everything about it, and I was playing it for like maybe 10, 15 minutes. I was like, dude, this game is boring. Like why like it's so good. Like everything was beautiful and everything. I was like, this is boring. I want to see, like I want to feel some action. And then, you find that the first skill, and like it's just a game changer, and it was like, oh my god, this is so cool. And then I don't want to spoil anything, but that first like significant scene that's in the game felt so nice. And it's only like a 40-minute game, like max 40 minutes, so it's a nice little thing. Dude, the big zoom out, yeah, the zoom out, the music, like seeing the other entities, yeah, very well done. It's actually putting a lot of things into perspective for my game. Sounds great. I wish, low key, I wish I did share it with you guys, but honestly, it's a good experience to have like alone as well. You know what I mean? Like, just sit back, relax, and enjoy the game. If you have like really good headphones, or just, headphones or decent headphones, like the music is good, the sound design is really good. Do I have a spinning chair? I do. I see both Sheepy, a short adventure. Yeah, the latter, yeah. I was actually trying to find. It's a pretty big production. It's by I think Suicide Sheep or something like that. They're a pretty big YouTuber, like 12 million, like 12 million. Mr. Suicide Sheep, yeah. They're pretty. I never heard of them, but yeah, they're pretty big. Yo, how's it going, Ravier? Thanks for the posture check. Oh, we're about to hear our more passion sound, by the way. We just added this mechanic, or we added this feature into our overlay. So in the next in a minute and 20 seconds, you guys are going to hear a nice a banger. How's it going? How's it going, Ravier? Any updates? I see that you stream, and then you also, after you're done with your stream, you just go back, you go into your Discord and you work on your game as well. Is that what I saw? Yeah, I found it. Yes, I did find the spinning chair. Oh, is that what you were asking? Is that what? Yes, I did. Oh, you said, did I find the spinning chair? Yes, I did. I don't know why. I don't know why I thought you were talking. I don't know why you asked. Why I thought you. Yeah. I did find the spinning chair. It was really good. Actually, I loved it. It was really cute. Godot Discord is the best server, low key. You know, I'm in it, but I'm not active in it. Maybe I should be more active in it. I could definitely see it being an awesome community. Also, I don't know if you guys know the community manager who joined Twitch recently. They're pretty cool too. Nat is their name. There it is. Oh fuck. I didn't mean to test. There it is. That's all we did today. That was the only feature that we've added to our overlay. Are the push-ups easier? I think they are easier. Also, I've been pacing myself. The first time I did them, they were like, I was doing it like almost until failure. Update them push-ups and timer. There we go. But yeah, we have our late push-up threshold. So I guess what we could do, we'll emit the push-up timer, and then I guess I have another 5 minutes. Here, we'll do like, if it hits 5 minutes, we'll have a signal that says like, we hit the late push-ups or something like that. Var, or maybe just did push-ups. It's equal to all right, here, maybe we should put this on its own function here. Maybe I just put it in the Discord and you laugh. Yeah. Send it over, Luxury. That would have been better to do. Today is a really good day to ask, because usually I'm too preoccupied with my project to answer people's to like the fullest extent. I don't mind helping more today. In fact, we have a programming channel which you posted in. So here, let's check it out. Let me finish this first, and then I'll help you out. And if I forget, just remind me. So if not did push-ups, or if did push-ups, we'll say we'll do this, and then not did push-up or did push-ups is equal to false. And we'll also start the timer to be our threshold. So base time, or not base time, total time is equal to late push-up threshold. And if total time is equal to 0 again, or I guess what we should just say. If we didn't do the push-ups, then we're gonna say we're just gonna say do more push-ups or late push-ups. Emit signal late push-ups. All right. You want to wrap your... Oh, yeah, that's not a bad idea. Luxury. So it's easier to read. I mean, this is fine, though. What exactly are you doing? Await, create, timer, 5, timeout. If not fade, sign. Time plus equals delta. Flash, await, get tree, timer, timeout. Are you I think you're creating a timer on your physics process, which would not be a good idea. If I understand this correctly. Yeah, you can just make a... Yeah. You'd want to put this somewhere else. Honestly, it'd be easier for you to just... Wait. Actually, I don't know how await works. I think that's a new thing in 4. Tell me how what you want. What's the functionality of what you want? And then I'll show you how I would do it. Oh yeah, let me still finish this. So emit signal, late push-ups, and then we're just gonna connect this. Love the Deadbolt soundtrack. This is not Deadbolt. It's not Deadbolt, but it's the same musician. Christodolo. Still love this. Yeah. I like it too. I mean, this guy's pretty good. Let me see. Actually, I don't have enough songs liked by him. But this one, I love this song. Now I Become Death. It's so, like, just a vibe. Okay. So yeah, what we're gonna do here. So okay, the only thing is, I don't want these late push-ups. I don't want them to count towards the pending push-ups in case I leave my overlay on. So what we'll do though is we'll just have another. I'm trying to think. What I could do in our overlay though is right here I can say plus like a certain amount, and then I think what I would do is make this a little bit more dynamic, where we'd have 2 labels here, and we'll say like plus a fake amount, or not a fake amount, like a temporary amount. And what we do is before we subtract the current push-ups, we would subtract the additional amount here first. I don't want to add a new field because it's already taking so much screen space. That's the only thing. So I'd rather like sort of, yeah, just add a little value here. Although pending push-ups is already taking so much screen space. Maybe I get rid of this $1 thing, and we get... It can be visible. Oh, that's actually not a bad idea, too. Penalty push-ups. The thing is, it's only going to be like 1 or 2. You know what I mean? You know what I could do? We don't even need to add it to the overlay. What I can do is the font size small? No. What do you mean? What do you mean by exclamation small? Or like not small? I mean, make it smaller. Oh. We could make it smaller. We could do that. That is an option. You know, actually, another thing I want to do, you see this text right here? I kind of want to move this to be a part of Godot. Like, make my entire like right now, the only thing that's a part of the overlay is this. Where is it? Is it this? What the hell? Kickstarter progress. So yeah, this is the only thing that's part of the overlay. What? It's gone now. Who the hell? Why is it gone? Oh, let me just run this again. But yeah, I was thinking of making the entire thing an overlay. Cannot find the exe. Usually I have it match the exact name, but it could be because I'm running this in the like in the no, actually it shouldn't matter. Let me see. It says capture a specific window. Yeah, it should have worked. I don't know. But I did hide it. Like I hid the window, so maybe that was something that was weird. Okay. All right, so technically it works. Well, we have a function called late pushups. I think we're gonna update this some more. Luxury wagon, are you still here? What do you? Let me see. What exactly is happening here? Flash. Wait tree. Sign name visible. Here, let's try this out. Maybe. Oh, it's a button. I'll just throw it into this project and see if we can make it work. Here, this is also gonna be my testing stream Twitch. No, it's not a good idea to call it Twitch. Here, I'll say it. I'll call it just like examples, Twitch examples. Okay, so this should just work, right? All right, we're gonna have a flashing button right here. Oh no, it's gonna mess with my overlay, but that's okay. Where the hell's this button? Yeah, we're gonna have a missing overlay for now. Or you know what? Fuck it. Let me go in my. Just go here. I'll run this one for now. This one doesn't have the more passion thing. Oh, we lost our push-up count too. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. I'll definitely do the 40 by the end of this stream. So. All right, so this button should be flashing. Oh, I see it's flashing. Okay. Wait, is it? Wait, it's not flashing. going on? You said this was working? So you just want this you just want this button to flash, right? Is that what you want? Oh wait, let's get rid of some of this. Modulate, color the yellow, await, get tree. Change here, let's get rid of this. You just want it to flash. Get tree timer. If not, fade. So you're trying to flash it like in a sine wave, right? Is that sort of what you want it to do? Like disappear, then like fade in, fade out, fade in, fade out. Oh, it's doing it. Oh, it is doing it. I'm just blind. Here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So this is what it does. This is what you want. So here, to be honest, I feel like your sine speed times time. And then when you press start, it changes to yellow and increases the speed of the flashing. Okay. Speed times 20. All right, so you can easily do this with an animation player. I'm trying to think, would you want to use an animation player? Because it would be like, it'd be done in 2 lines, or like, you know, much less than this. I'm trying to think if there's a approach I would do. Like if I would, like I feel like with certain animations, when it comes to animations, I usually don't like running it in physics process. So I just feel like it gets ugly quickly. Like also creating timers and stuff. But here, I'll show you an easy way to do this, and that's literally just here. Sure, because I need to press start. Need the press start to happen once and not a million times when the start presses. Okay, here. I'll just show you like a quick way. Animate. Oh, not animation tree. So you'll have your flashing animation here. So we'll call this normal flashing. Scared of all of this. Sine time, visible. We don't even need this. Fade, speed. You can even mess with it in here. So here we'll do on ready. Ooh, I'm so used to Godot. It's a 3 syntax. Okay. So normal flashing. All you're gonna do is go into your button. You'll see your keys here on the. Oh, my overlay is kind of blocking it. But yeah, you'd go into your overlay. Let's say you just want it to be visible. Actually, not invisible. Let's say we won't say invisible. We'll say just like self-modulate. Because usually if you set something to invisible with like control nodes, it might like remove it from the like let's say you're using like a panel container or something, it'll mess with the other nodes in your panel container. So you might want to just set the modulate or self modulate to like completely invisible. Let me just make sure that messes with everything, the text as well. So yeah, you'd probably want to do this. So yeah, here we'll add a reset, and we'll make this like a 1 second animation. Add this as a frame, so it'll be like this. Boom, 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 and we'll set this to set this to loop. So in your ready function, you would just say func animation player node dot play normal flashing, and then I guess you can say you said clicked or something, or let's say if the button is pressed, you want it to flash multiple times, right? That's what you want. So you can either connect it this way, and then on pressed, we'll have another either you can make a new animation, or you can also go into your animation player and then just set the speed scale to a higher value. So yeah, there's two options. You can just do this dot speed scale is equal to 2, and that's it. That's one approach. That way you don't have to make two animations. On pressed with the gamepad, yeah, it's the same thing. Pressed. So here, you see it. It's normally flashing. Oh, maybe you don't want it to flash like this. Maybe you just want it to be like back and forth. You can do that too by removing. You can make it discrete. You might need to make this animation like that if you want it to work like that. Let me see. Oh, shit! I did not mean to open this one. There we go. So that's your animation regularly, and then we press it, and now it's flashing faster. That's it. Literally 2 lines plus this, and you don't even need this. If you wanted to connect, I know you wrote like func physics process or something. If you wanted to do like on input, what is it? If input UI accept, you can also make another signal here. You can either do it. You'd probably want it to be like one function, like func speed up, and then you can do that. Nameless Coder, how's it going? So yeah, it's that easy. You could also alternatively just make another animation, call it fast. Make this called fast flashing, and then play a different animation. But this also works. And that's it. Hello, Gren. How's it going? How's it going, Nameless? Thanks. Yeah, no problem. All right. SD Tom 1. How's it going? Welcome. Thank you for the follow. What you been up to, Nameless? Also, thanks for shouting out, Nameless. I'm following you, right, Nameless? I think I've yet to see your stream, but I hope it went well. Pretty good. We're doing pretty good. I hope it's going well, the development. Unless you need to make a whole bunch of animations, it's probably more reliable and less work to just make an animation that perfectly fits what you want instead of making a script. Yeah. My approach, I had the same approach as you. When I first started working with Godot Luxury Wagon, I would do a lot of animations using physics process. But yeah, it was before I knew like how to work with all of the nodes. Welcome back, Frostern. What the hell is this? We don't usually have songs like this. Final Boss Chan. Final Boss Chan. What game is this? But yeah. All right. Can you paste it? Yeah, I still have it. I mean, yeah, it's pretty easy, pretty quick. Again, you still need the animation on the animation player, but all the animation does is grab your self modulate and set it to loop, and yeah, here you go. How do you do the whole code thing? It's like tilde or whatever the tilde button is. Is it like 3 of them? Oh fuck. Here we go. I think I got it. All right. So what's next? We have our I guess also we want to make sure did push-ups is set to true. Once the timer gets reset. When are we setting the timer back? When are we resetting the timer? Oh, on push. So yeah, we'll say did push-ups here. It's equal to true. The timer is written in Godot? Yeah. We're actually using a timer node. But yeah, we're it's probably not the best way to handle it, but because we don't really I'm not sure. I'm not sure how like accurate the Godot timer is. I assume it's probably not bad. But I always wondered like if it's the most ideal way to like actually have a timer. Do you have a separate project just for your overlay? Yeah. Like relative to my game? Timer is not too accurate in terms to MS. Yeah. That's what I thought, but yeah, it's probably fine for this. You got to make sure the process mode is the correct one. Yeah. The timer I think in Godot in my game is accurate in terms of milliseconds. But yeah, for this it doesn't really matter because like, yeah, I don't think we need to care too much about whether or not we're like 1 second short. Is there a deadline? There is no deadline. I will say that I'm already going to start talking to musicians. So there is no deadline, but you know, um, there's no like if I find an artist, it's you know, that's the artist, you know. But yeah, I mean, I'll still keep looking at people, for instance, you know. What sort of vibes are you looking for in the um so I haven't spent too much time figuring it out. Actually, that's why when I do talk to musicians, I want to see their approach as well. No deadline, but do you have an idea of when the audio will be implemented? Um I have to figure that out with the artist, with the musician. Do you know musicians on Twitch too? I don't really know musician. The only musician that I know, but she's also a game dev, is Exodrifter. So yeah, I don't really know musicians. I'm trying to think. Yeah, I actually don't know too many musician streamers. Maybe like Dead Mouse. Maybe I can. Yeah, I'll talk to Dead Mouse. You know, like we go way back. I'd be like, hey bro, can we like can you do me a solid? Just make the music for my game. pay you. I'll pay you in like exposure. It's funny because Deadmau5 visits smaller artists. Yeah. Imagine he was here right now and be like, I'd be gladly to. Okay. Yeah, dude, we've been chilling today. I kind of, I can't wait to finish Memori and like just have chill streams. I do want to work a little bit more. In terms of like, today is not a good representation of how much we should be working. But I will say I wasn't planning on streaming today. I kind of just started because I was like, you know what, fuck it, let's do it. But tomorrow we're gonna go ham. We're gonna go ham on the streams. I gotta finish a lot of administrative stuff. All right, late push-ups, emit signal. We have our late push-ups. We got to go back into... we're going to have another variable here called var late push-ups. He hated that the streamer was fangirling, so he left. Yeah. I don't think any, like... Yeah, I don't think anyone likes to be... Like... At least I don't. I don't know. Especially, obviously, as someone who as big as Deadmau5, obviously... you get it so often that like you don't want to hear that, I'm sure. Unless you're super egotistical or like, super narcissistic, but like then why are you wouldn't I feel like you wouldn't even be visiting smaller streamers at that point, But yeah. Even I've never had someone like a fan, but I do sometimes. I don't even like when people overly compliment me. Like if I join someone's stream and someone's like, "Oh yeah, practical," love you. I don't mind people showing or people recognizing me and like saying they love what I do, but showing too much recognition is it's not why you join it. It's not why you join someone's stream. Do you ever join Alpha Girl? Sounds good. Sounds good, Capi. Feels hard to be on the same page. Yeah, exactly. Also, I'm not even saying like I can't compare to I can't even compare to Deadmau5. Got it. Never acknowledge me. Yeah, don't. Just make me. I'm just another viewer. I think for me, too much compliment would question: do you really mean it, or is it really that good? I guess for me, I don't like to steal people. Like if you're streaming, I don't want to steal your glory. Like especially like if it's like from someone else's chat. You know what I mean? Like if someone says like, "Oh, this doesn't really happen," but yeah, yo, how's it going here? How's Helldivers? It's so fun. It looks fun. It looks hella fun. It looks hella. It's the best stream game for me, but it's not, oh, it's not the best stream game for me, but it's a great game. I see. Nice. I don't see myself playing it, but yeah, it is fun to watch, I'll say. Yeah, I know I told you on stream or yesterday. I told you I've been doing horror games every Saturday. That's been fun though. I think that's my new. I think that's gonna be my new thing. I've been enjoying them. I think we need to find like a good horror game though, because horror games is just like horror movies. Like when they're good, but like the majority of them are just so bad. Horror is very hard to do. It seems, yeah. It's hard. It's hard to do. Um, I think it's at least for me the horror games that I like is when they do a really good job like setting up the environment and like the lore and everything. Um, and it's more about the immersive experience more than um the gameplay. Some gameplay is really good. But yeah, for me it's more of like just immersifying myself in the horror. Like that one game that we played when we were in the morgue and stuff. I thought that was the ending was terrible in my opinion, or just could have been better, but the rest of the game was really good. Um I wish there were more games like that. And that other game that we played during the 30-hour stream with where you had the pistol and there was like these dudes running around. I thought that one was really good too. You've been on so much good. Yeah, I am breaking things up a little bit. I haven't been streaming as much as I wanted to this week. Or not as much as I wanted. Like I'm glad I took the break, but I'm also I do want to because it's the final week of the Kickstarter, I want to like go full send. It's the final lap. Okay, so add late push-ups. We're just going to say late push-ups to do plus equals 1. And I think we also want to sound 18-hour streams. No, probably not. Not 18 hours. That's too much. $16, $12, probably. Not even 12. Well, I'll aim for 12 every day. I know at least 8. At least 8 every day. And if we have extra things to do, then we'll do a 12-hour stream. Okay. Okay. Late push-ups to do. So we do need to update our label here. I think what we're gonna do is put this into a H box, or how IRAD likes to call it, an HB, or hub. We want the alignment to be on the end, and we'll say plus, like, let's say +1, and this will be our late push-ups, and I think we'll make it white so it's like obvious. Maybe usually we'll say +0. Oh man, we're like almost running out of space though. I don't think it'll ever go above this. Hello, dude. What's up? Mind blown? Hell yeah. I'm glad. There's so many things. Like there's so many convenient things that you can do in Godot. Okay. I think it should work. I think that's it. We do need. Okay. The other thing that we need to do is when we handle the push-ups, we need to subtract from the late push-ups before we subtract from everything else. So update push-ups. We'll say push-ups done. Minus equals late push-ups to do, and then late push-ups counter is equal to 0. And we also want to update our late push-ups. That's pretty much it. All right. And that way, if I do leave the program on running for a while, this will never save. Like, I would assume we would finish these push-ups before we do anything. Or before I end the stream, I mean. The other thing that we need to do is I want to add a sound like a womp womp, like you're late. You're late. Or womp. Or a fart sound. These are gonna be loud. I already know it. Oh, we're already at 10. Okay. You like this one? This one seems to be pretty popular. Some of these are cursed. Oops. All right, it's perfect. Maybe negative 15. All right. Where was that? Okay. The other thing I want to do is make like a sort of an alert that says like late push-ups or something like that. But I'm not sure. I'm not sure what to make it look like. Also, I wish we cleaned up this text. It's there's so much stuff going on here. Or like cleaned up the structure of our nodes. It's kind of like all over the place. What could we put here? Like push up det +1 or something like that. What's going on here? Why is it doing that? What the hell? How do I reset this? Parent rectangle size. Oh no. See? There we go. Why does it look like that? It's Skyrim. Oh, that is too much. I'm not sure if we're going to be able to do everything today, but I think I want to convert everything on my current overlay for OBS into this project. Honestly, I was thinking maybe we should make this into like a notification thing. What if I made my own? We probably wouldn't do this today, but I was thinking if we connect this to Twitch, we would use this overlay for like follows and stuff as well. Is it possible to have an audio stream in one scene and then switch the scene to auto stream in one scene and then switch scenes and still have the audio stream playing? Yeah, you can do that in a singleton. Yeah, in auto loads. So you'd want to make a separate scene. So here, like, just make a node here. Put all your nodes in here. Like, let's say audio stream in here. Let's say we want Womp Womp in here. And then you'd go into your project settings, go into auto load, say we want, you know, whatever this is, sound singleton. Munglo, how's it going? So you have your sound singleton, go into project settings. Here, let's save it. Boom. Munglo, how you been? I heard from a little birdie that well, I didn't hear much from this little birdie, but I heard they were bullying you or bothering you. Their name rhymes with I bad dev. You could also be cheeky. I mean, yeah, you could technically do it that way too. But yeah, that's actually how I have it in my main in my Well, I don't handle. Yeah, I handle my sounds in a singleton or important sounds like, you know, music, audio, or like UI navigation sounds. Yeah, basically those two things. Handling everything music related, I do in a singleton. Or like environment sounds. I bet dev is such a mood. Yeah. Oh, I hardly notice. Well, welcome. How's it going? Did I shout you out just now? I'm not sure. There we go. Last time I saw your stream, I know you you did a lot of the procedural generation. I'm not sure how far you are now, but from the looks of it, I'm sure you've made some pretty decent progress. Well, I see a lot of procedural generation, so that part's doing well, I guess. I have a script that's an autoload, but it only lets me quit when I press escape. Yeah, you'd want to, instead of autoloading a script, you want to autoload. You can autoload a scene instead, and that would include the script and the scene, or the nodes and the scene. Yeah, the nodes and the script. So yeah, and then you just call it. Play it. You call it the same way you call every node. Looks worse now. How's it going? How's it going, Ktronics? Hope you're doing well. But today, it got fully moved out to be a Godot add-on. So, single folder drop in 2 button clicks to get a default dungeon, and a lot of spaghetti fixed. Spaghetti. A lot of spaghetti fixed. Hell yeah. I'm well. How are you? I'm pretty good. I'm doing pretty well. I think this week. I was stressing to get the demo out, but it's out, and I think there aren't too many bugs, so we're kind of chilling at the moment. That's why I'm not doing any like real game dev today. We're kind of just working on our overlay, and chatting a lot. But yeah, it's fun. I think we need some days like this, I think. Oh, and multiplayer works. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. Chilling is great. Yeah, it is. It is great. How have you been? Wait, did someone say there was a bug? Let me see. I feel like I saw someone say there was a bug. Character stuck. Oh yeah, right. This I forgot. Yeah. Feeling nostalgic. Oh. Very cool, Will Time. Getting over. Oh yeah, right. Getting over that. Nice. We've been working on this overlay. Oh, speaking of, I'm trying to update the overlay. I want to send it to you, but I also don't like the way this project all these nodes are looking. But I'll fix it some more, and I will send it to you. I promise, Ktronics. I think all I want to do is clean up this scene. Clean up the scene, and then also handle our JSON better. The JSON file. Expired popsicle. How's it going? Thank you for. Oh, did we miss our push-ups? Shit, I missed the push-ups. That should already be 3 push-ups right there. Snack raid. How's it going? Do I know you? Expired popsicle. Let me see. I do not, but now I will get to know you. Thank you for the raid. How's it going? Don't think so. Was looking at some fellow Godot devs to raid. Oh, nice. So you were doing some Godot. I'm healing here, you punk. Some Doom. Playing some Doom. Nice. And Godot jump scares. Your whole VTuber setup is in Godot. You know, that's awesome. We're actually doing overlay stuff today. Do you have I don't know if you know this, but do you have a Stream Deck? Godot. There's this plugin that we recently have been informed of where like you can connect Stream Deck your Stream Deck to Godot, like have it emit signals. We actually have it working for our push-ups and stuff. Crazy Stewie, how's it going? So it's all custom code. I see. Okay. But yeah, thank you for the raid. If you have anything you want to share, by the way, I'll have to look at your stream. I'll have to see your stream from time to time. I don't think I've seen you before. But yeah, software and game development is also getting pretty big, so we're always meeting new people. Have all your overlays. This is my first time. The only thing I've worked on is my my Kickstarter. Like since I started my Kickstarter, we have the overlay working with that, and the push-ups as well. And the little dragon that you see right here, whenever we get a Kickstarter thing, like a pledge, there's a coin that drops and he eats it. That's the only thing that we've got so far. We're also working on this thing where, like, if I don't do it within a certain amount of time, we add to the queue. But speaking of, I've been postponing this actually. So technically, it's been almost 20 minutes. So I'll add it. I'll add 4 to this current set. So I'll try to do like 24 or something, just so that we can get an even number. But yeah, this feature is not. It is implemented, but I'm still using the executable. Twitch API is kind of painful. Yeah, I haven't integrated anything with Twitch just yet using Godot. I usually I work on my game. Usually I do game dev here. But today was kind of like my break day. I'm chilling, doing some light stream stuff. All right, let's do it real quick so we can keep going. Yo, how's it going, Casper? The Godot overlay OG developer themselves, Casper Dragonwolf. So I did 24. Oh, so we have this working with our stream deck where I can update the push-ups. Oh, what the hell? Usually, I swear this works. Oh, you know what it is? I think it's because we're... Here, let me see. Bro, everything is broken. Here, wait, let me run it from here. So if we run this, there we go. Hey, Monkey Man, how's it going? There are others, yeah. You're the OG for me, though. Also, thank you for the follow, Expired. And Meatloaf231. Welcome, everybody. If you have any questions... Oh, so, yeah, I usually do game dev. I'll show you guys a little bit of my project, actually. We just released a demo. That's why we're chilling today. Oh, also, my push-up late debt has not been... It's not functional yet. Here, let's just hide it. Working on my stream avatars for the overlay. Nice. Kickblaster, how's it going? And JD. Everyone's here. Everyone's here today. Happy Sunday. Today's Sunday, right? Yeah. Happy Sunday. Yeah, I'll show you guys my game. If you're interested, by the way, if you want to play the demo, here it is. And we also have a Kickstarter currently running, if you're interested in that as well. But yeah, try out the demo. Maybe see if you like the game. There are no bugs. It's completely perfect. Where the hell is the... Here we go. It only showcases the first chapter. But yeah. I'll show you guys. Usually there's sounds too. Let me mute the mute. So it's pretty basic in terms of like the first chapter. It only showcases like the core mechanics of like the movement. Some interactions like, you know, like springs or portals. But yeah, it's just to showcase the core gameplay. We do currently have 6 chapters already in the game. And I can show you guys some of that too. But maybe not right now. We'll probably do it. We'll definitely get back to game development tomorrow. Oh shit. It seems the pre/the internal process stuff happens before LOD generation, but LOD made in there isn't overridden afterwards in the process. So that's what I'm testing. That's what we were fighting with. I see. I'm not entirely sure what you guys are talking about, but I hope you guys figure it out. Yeah, I don't know if you have anything to share expired, by the way. I don't think I actually saw your profile too much. Boom, boom, boom. Nice stream setup, by the way. Nothing shows super well. We were doing some asset pipeline work to pick apart GLTF. Came with a separate meshes, animations, and I gotcha. Okay, all right. And I'm sure Crazy Stewie's helping you a bunch. I feel like Crazy Stewie is like possibly helping you a bunch because I know they're like Godot wizards, or honestly a wizard in everything on every single streamer's stream. Oh yeah, this is the demo. We're currently setting up for a competition. We also have like a leaderboard system. So I can't do much over there. I see. Gonna bounce and grab some dinner. Have a wonderful stream. Thank you. I'll have to see you around. But yeah, we have a leaderboard system now. We used to have it for like every single chapter in the game, but because this is a more public demo. Oh, Mello's here almost like all the time, but I think we fixed this bug. We had some issues sending this data over to leaderboard, but I think it's good now. Cuddy Flame. But yeah, we have our any percents and we have our 100%. And then further down the line, we'll have like every single chapter's leaderboard, as well as like other speedrunning data. So right now it's just like your times, but we have like a whole bunch of metadata that we can send over to the leaderboards too. But not right now. You're not good enough for one? What are you? Let me see, Zeke. Oh fuck, I closed it. Cuddy is a beast. Cuddy recently played the game and is already doing better than everyone during this run. Let me see Cuddy on this one. Yeah. Hi Pigorly. Pigorly was here for like a split second, yeah. How's it going, Yag? I feel like I haven't spoken to you in a hot minute. Well, you're right here. There should be more people. Actually, I low-key want to delete Mello's old runs. Let me see. Mello's in 7th place right now. So 7, 6, and 5. I'm gonna delete those. Give me 1 second. Oh, let me log in. I said 7, 6, and 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let me just make sure. I'm sure this is. Mellow. All right. Took a vacation. Oh, there's Big Orly. What the hell's going on? Where's my... Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait, did I... Let me see. I might have... I'm not sure which one I need to count. 5, okay. Hey, yo, thank you for the pledge, kind stranger. All right, there we go. Everything else should be good. I don't think there are any other bugs in the game. All right, so I'm thinking we'll make a... I just realized our overlay is not directly... We'd probably want to move it like a little bit more over here. Because right now it's in the middle of the screen, but I don't think we'd want it in the middle. All right, we'll leave it the way it is for now. Actually, maybe we do want it in the middle, but the thing is my head is covering it. That's not good. In fact, why is my... I should feel like... There we go. I think we're going to change this into a notification scene instead, not just late push-ups. So here, let's save this now. Late push-ups here. We'll call this notifications instead. Oh my god. How do we want to set this up? Quite literally worked on this effect all weekend, and I think I finally tuned into the first draft. Very proud of the progress. Check out your Discord in Project Showcase. Oh, that's awesome. Oh wait, my fucking... Here, wait, sorry. My thing is blocking. How did you get here? I love this. That's great. Oh, I forgot. I still have my hypnotism, by the way. For anyone who wants to wishlist memory now, do it. Do it now before it's too late. Wake up. It's not a clone. You gotta do the voice changer. Do I have voice mod? Yeah, you know, I did spend like $40 on it, right, Yag? I should use it. Here, give me 1 second. I think I have to open it up. True. I mean, pledge your wish list, whatever you want. If you want to wait till the game is out, too. If you don't trust the developer, we don't need to switch right now. Hello. Wait, let me see something. Okay. This.
Does this work? Hello? It's me? Do I sound like a very sophisticated British man? Okay. Doesn't work.
Let me see Stream Deck. I have it here, but it seems. Wait, what? Voice mod is not running. Here, wait. Let me delete this. Oh, what the hell? I mean, I might have to like uninstall voice mod. Oh, here we go. What the hell? I forgot what this is called. Let me see. It's called Random Human. All right, there we go. Sounds like your dad. How does this sound?
Wishlist memory now.
Do it.
Memory now.
Before it's too late.
Your thoughts are not your own.
Wishlist memory.
Back on Kickstarter.
Wishlist memory now.
Wishlist
Do it.
memory.
Do it.
Before
Do it
it's too
now.
late.
Wishlist
memory.
But yeah, I like your thing, Hellraiser. I had something similar, not to this quality. This is awesome. I did something where like a couple was watching me on TV, but I never saw it through. What was that? I have no idea. I have no idea what you're talking about. All I know is that I want a wishlist memory right now. That's all I know. Somehow it made you wishlist less pledge forever ago. Yeah. Speaking of, if you actually want to wishlist an awesome game, check out Hello, This Is Bear. Don't do it. It's done. It's been done. It also has an awesome trailer that I know Air's gonna say it's outdated, but it's still awesome. Coming in 2023. Fire music, and fire. Honestly, really good trailer too. Probably one of my top favorite trailers. It's just like so wholesome. But yeah, it does say it's coming in 2023. But it does say I hope. So similar to Ori and the Blind Forest. Interesting that it says that. And also, it's a good game if EXO wishlisted it. Mr. Streamer. Cut out I didn't even see it. Sorry. I'm sorry, Yag. What the? There you go. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. What are the chances? Two Undertale songs play at the same time? Or back to back? Oh. What's going on here? I don't even know what I want to hear. There we go. I hate you so much. Made a critical blunder tale. All right. So we want to do this thing where if like, late push-ups, but also like anything. So I'm not sure what I would do. I guess eventually we'd have like like a new follower label or something. Honestly, I was thinking we could just have multiple labels here and then hide the one that we don't want, or hide the one or show the one that we want. For now, we'll just say late push-up dead every time, and we'll just say, I guess just visible, right? We can just say visible is equal to true. Funk show. Eventually, I think we'll probably include some argument, but for now, we'll just say visible is equal to true. And we'll show this for like, we'll add a timer here too, for like a second. Want to fix the negative time issue? It already is fixed. It is fixed. I'm using. Yeah, it is fixed. Yeah, we already fixed it. Basically, what happens now is every time you hit 5 minutes, or yeah, every time you hit 0, we add. Actually, wait. Handle push-up thresholds. Yeah. The second we hit 0, we do 5 push-ups. Sorry. Every time we hit 0, we add 5 minutes, and if that 5 minutes passes, then we add 1 to the late push-up like debt. That makes sense. Unless you're talking about something else, Zeke. I assume you're talking about the overlay. If time is less than 0, stop timer. It was 0. It did go negative, but that was because I was using the executable. Now it should always pop. Oh, another thing that we should do is when this does go to. Oh, I think we play a sound, so I'll know. I was thinking, there should be something, but yeah, there'll be a notification, so I'll know that we hit the timer. And then every time we're late on a push-up, it plays a womp sound. We can test it out right now. Like after this 5 minutes, there should be 2 things that happen. The more energy song plays, and then the late push-ups womp sound should play as well. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, we should also, when we say late push-ups, we also want to say, oops. We want to redo this. We want to. Oh wait, what? Total time? Yeah, total time. Yeah, and we emit this signal again. Should play the EAS alarm SFX. What's EAS? Bum, bum. Okay. Is there anything else we need to do? Emergency alert system. Oh no, I'm good. I don't need a heart attack every time we need to do push-ups. What did I want to do? There was something else I wanted to do. Oh, yeah, notifications. So on late push-ups, we're just gonna say show notification and then start the timer. All right, so it should just work. We'll find out in 3 minutes. Oh, actually no, we'll find out in 8 minutes. All right. I'm trying to. How difficult would it be to make like scrolling text in Godot? Like the same way I have it on top of my stream at the moment. Let's see. AKA Android. It's possible to do it for sure. I would have to see. We'd have to like on any smaller or weaker hardware. I'll have to see how well the game runs. I haven't tried it though. Um. Scrolling text as in how do we want to do this anyway? Scrolling. Mm. We don't need a scrolling log text. Should we just sort of hack? We could do it with an animation player. If we separate each word with a label, then we can like run it through like a carousel sort of thing. Panda Coder, how's it going? Thank you for the raid. I'm not following you, Panda Coder. The Aya, welcome. I don't think I'm following you, Panda. I see your name around though pretty often. I see you on. I think I see you on. Oh, see the timer reset, and we'll see what happens on the 5 minute after the Panda raid. How's it going, Solar? I was just saying. I think I see you on Jackie Code's Discord a lot with Tom. Not to call you out. Didn't get to say bye, Panda. But yeah, what were you working on? The way I did it to set up an array of messages is create a label for each one, each word. Yeah, because I think that might be each message. Oh, I guess yeah, that makes sense. Usually, I'm usually in chats as a viewer. I don't really advertise I stream at all until I get pressured by the streamer. I see. And who was it? Aristron got you to admit. Ah, well, I'm glad you are sharing that you're a streamer, because I wouldn't have followed you otherwise. I'll have to see your stream from time to time. So did you do? Oh, you played Minecraft today. Nice. We're also doing some Godot stuff. Oh, hi, Dragon. Oh, hi, Yag. Everyone's here. I feel like the whole like crew is around these parts today. Yo, and Primer, dude. What? All these cool people around today. What's going on? There's no one else streaming. What we got here? Welcome everybody. I'm a big Godot guy. Nice. Well, welcome, Aya. Thank you for the follow again. Today's stream was 100% absolutely not sponsored by Primer Jacob. Oh! Primer Justin? Primer Jacob. Well, shout out to Primer Justin. He called Jackie Kathy. I've heard that. So she called him Yeah, I think I remember actually. I didn't know if that was like, if there was something I didn't know. I thought maybe Jackie wasn't Jackie's actual name. and then it was Kathy, and I was like, huh. But I was too afraid to ask. It might be Kathy. You should ask. I'll ask. I'll just say if I'm wrong, I'll just be like, oh yeah, Primer was like was trying to convince me that your name was Kathy. Gonna lurk? All right, sounds good. Yeah, thank you again for the raid. Helped her scrub some information. All right. But yeah, welcome everybody. Anyone who's new to the stream, I usually do game dev. Usually we do we work on a game called Memory. Actually, I'll show you guys the trailer because I usually don't. I don't promote my for as long as I've been working on this Kickstarter. I don't promote it as much as I feel like I should. But yeah, we're currently running a Kickstarter event, and I'll show you a little bit about it. Here it is. I'll show you the trailer actually. I'm working on this game for a hot minute. We got 6 days left in the Kickstarter. It's been going pretty well, I gotta say. I heard that you were under promoting your game. I wouldn't say I was under promoting it, but yeah, I don't know. I'm vibing with it. Oh, we did it! It worked. But the timer has not reset for some reason. Why isn't the timer not reset? I heard the womp, womp, womp. Oh, and also our pending push-ups did not update. It still says 31. I was intending to do more Godot dev this morning and get work done before playing, but after yesterday's 17-hour stream, I was dead this morning and didn't get up in time. Ah, fair enough. That's on complete. I mean, a 17-hour stream, that's a hella long time. I don't think I would stream after a 17-hour stream, so props to you. How often do you actually do the push-ups? I do it every 30 minutes usually. But I'm trying to make something where if we miss the push-ups, we punish ourselves and add more to the pending push-up. So it should say 32 right now. But apparently, sometimes it's pretty rare for me to ever write a bug. It usually never happens, but I guess yeah, it happened just now. Yeah, it should say +1. Did you do the art for Memory? I did not do the art for Memory. I mean, I would say it's like 50-50 because like I download a lot of assets or like I'll commission some stuff. And I do edit a lot of things to like kind of like kit bash to make, the game look consistent. But yeah, I don't make anything I don't make a lot of things from scratch. And you just do however, no, not in the queue. I'll do as many, usually I do it in increments of 20. It depends. So sometimes I'll do like 20, sometimes I'll do 30. 20 is like the perfect number though, because otherwise I would be dead. Like, I'd burn out. But we're at 31. We're about to get rid of all of our pending push-ups, which is kind of cool. It's hard to believe that I did 705 push-ups on stream. That seems like more. It seems like an overwhelmingly large amount of push-ups. But yeah, I mean, it's over the course of like maybe like a week. Okay. Every time I exercise, I try to do what I used to, and I die instantly. Yeah, the first day I was after the first day of starting this, I was like somewhat sore for like 3 days. But yeah, I think now we're used to it. We do have to fix this countdown. We see that it's working on the first run, but here, let me do them first, and then we'll update it. Okay. It might work though. Here, let's see. Like it says 31 push-ups. I did 21 because we missed. We should have added one push-up. It should be 21 right now. Or actually, sorry, no. Here, well, I guess we'll find out. It crashed. It crashed on me. That's never happened before. I don't think I've ever written something that would crash. Let's see. Oh, it works now. 31 plus 1. Maybe we didn't update it correctly? Huh. We'll see. There we go. Shouldn't it? I think it should have said. I'm pretty sure it should have said 12. It should have said 12 here because we added one push-up. Hmm. Let me see. It said, oh no, it said +1, but that was a fake +1. That was just what we left on the That's what's on this thing right here. It didn't actually work. Couldn't be. You don't write bugs, yeah. It's never. I don't think we've ever written a bug on stream. Okay. The thing that sucks, unless we create something to like speed up the time, I guess we should create something to speed. Oh, don't we? Yeah, we do. We have a time test here. Let me see. Hey, this is Terminator. So none of my signals are working. Very strange. All right, let's actually try to figure this out. On our timer here, we have a signal called. Wait, where's our signal? We have something called reset time, but we don't have anything else. Oh, late push-ups. Apparently, we didn't save. Here, I guess let's just do this now. All right. What happens if I do this? Oh, we have to. Should still work. Dude, what the hell's going on, bro? Here, let me run this one more time. Oh, there we go. Huh. All right, it seems to be working now. Let me try this again. All right, so we're at 30 minutes. There we go. I must have just not saved or created a new instance here. I don't think it'll ever get to this point, but we'll see. Also, if let's say I do 10 push-ups right now, this should be 6. There we go. Cool. All right, nice. Oh fuck. Oh no. We were at 11, right? Let me. I'm just gonna close it. All right, there we go. Awesome. I think it's done. It's perfect. We never write bugs. This +1 is for show. Shouldn't be there. Oh no, I spy Riot client. You spy toxicity and and everything. I don't play. I've only been finding focus. How's it going? Thank you, dude. We've been getting a crap ton of raids today. Thank you, everybody. How's it going? Finding focus. Hope you found some focus today. How's your game coming along? Finding focus is making a game in You're using mono game, right? I want to say you're using mono game. I know you're using Lua. Oh, Love 2D. Why did I think mono game? Mono game isn't even Lua. It's C sharp, right? Love 2D, yeah. My bad. I totally uninstalled it because I'm on Linux and Vanguard is being introduced to League of Legends. Introduced to League ended my ability to play, even for the lulz. Yeah, you need Windows to play any, or at least Valorant. I don't play League. I do play Valorant though. No temptation to go back. I'm an ARAM enjoyer, not a ranked enjoyer. Ranked player. I see. I play Overwatch 2. Nice. I did play a little bit of Overwatch 2 as well. I think I played Overwatch when it first came out, and then I played Overwatch 2 when it came out. I'm ball main. Fuck it, I ball. I love my favorite. I'm not that good. But I'm also not a huge fan of Overwatch, but I love playing Sigma. I feel like he's so much fun to play. I just feel like I'm doing so much. Like I'm not good, but I feel like I'm carrying the team when I play him. Sigma is so funny. Yeah. Trying to think who else I used to enjoy playing. Yeah, I think it was mostly Sigma though. Sigma, or I Either tank or DPS. But yeah. I think yeah, Valorant it was the game that I played the most of though. I still want to get back into it because I have a bunch of friends who play Valorant. All right. I think our overlay is good. Maybe we should change this. Did the overlay for this work? I'm not sure. I think it did work, but it's spawning on the top left now. Can we move it? We could. I'll just do that. Oh. But after they did to Overwatch 2, I'm totally unwilling to play. They were trying to add like some sort of co-op mode, right? Or like single player campaign, and then they like took it back. I think maybe they still want to do it, but yeah, they kind of postponed that. That was the whole point. Oh, same with there are still missions, but they suck. I see. I feel like every FPS is making like a 2, you know, like a sequel. Like that's the next big thing. I played a little bit of CS:GO or CS2 as well when it first came out. I miss it. I actually like CS2. Or I mean, it's just I guess it's like nostalgic for me. I played a decent amount in high school. Yeah, CS2 was a nice change. It's kind of like it's a little janky compared to Valorant, but I like the jank. I only ever played with friends, but if I was tank, I would basically only played Rain, and if I was off tank, I played Diva. Oh, Reinhardt. Oh, Diva is pretty cool too. Ball is fun, but I tried to match who I play with the team and the map. There's some really bad maps for ball. I see. Yeah. I want to get back into playing games more often, but yeah, I feel like I'm working too much right now. Why is there a line here? Why did I make this? Oh, I see. Oh, honestly, that looks actually kind of good. Whoop, whoop. Should I keep it? All right. But yeah, I think we want to add an overlay. Dude, I need to connect it to Twitch, I think. Oh, maybe we can make a browser within Godot. I'm not going to do that today, though. It's going to be too much work. With Lucio, if I get heals. Lucio, yeah, I remember Lucio being a pretty good pick. But in Overwatch 1. Zarya is great against Diva, yeah. I never liked playing against Zarya. Or I guess I just don't know too much about Zarya. I'm too smooth brained to know how to play against her. Same with what's his name? Doomfist. When I first played Overwatch 2, I know like people were doing really well with Doomfist, but he's like hard to get into. Hanzo and Pharah were my DPSs. I always wanted to get into Hanzo. Hanzo is like hella cool. But I think I played the boring DPSs like Soldier 76 and Bastion, and they're not boring. Yeah, they're boring. But they do the best. Like I played the best with Soldier 76 and Bastion. But I always like when if I'm not like playing ranked or something, I'll play Hanzo or something, like just because it's more fun. Naively picked Sova, and oh yeah, they are not the same. Although Sova is pretty cool. Sova's a pretty good initiator for a lot of maps. Which point I pretty much only play Jet. I see. For me, I'm not. I play a lot of Phoenix, and I think if I ever get back, I want to have a wide variety of because I only play like three agents, and I want to play more. Toxic Reina. Yeah, like Phoenix is like my go-to, and then it's I like Gecko, although I don't know. I like Gecko, but I don't think he's that good. And Sky, I like Sky too, but I do want to play like a better. I don't play any controllers, and I think if I ever get back into it, I want to play more controllers because like I think it'll give me better like game sense. I just like to run and gun, you know, just run and and shoot. Don't think, just shoot. I always did better running in. Makes sense why people wanted me to switch. I don't know. I mean, if you like, the thing is, some players, I feel like some players are scared to like run in. So if you are like, let's say a duelist, like it's good to run in. You might die more often, but at least you're. I think you're doing your job, sort of. Like obviously you want to get kills, but at least you're going in. Whereas like if you're going in as a like if you're going in as a controller, then you're probably gonna hurt your team. But yeah, I'm not even that good. But I think if there's a competitive game I would want to get into, or a competitive game that I would want to get better at, I think it would be Valorant. Too aggressive or too passive? I see. I like Sova. I would if I could pick another initiator, I'd pick Sova. All right. I think our overlay is good. I'm trying to think if we want to do anything else with it. I do want to add. I think we should like refactor everything first. Like throw all of this into the bottom, fix this up, or we just leave this the way it is and start, or just add to the spaghetti. I could totally just add to the spaghetti, or we could work on like individual items, like the scrolling text would not be a bad idea. Why not have some Valorant stream? I used to have Valorant streams, or like once in a while we'd play Valorant when I was doing Premiere, because I sort of had to play on stream. I would play Premiere on stream. What was your rank? Plat. The last time I played, I was plat. The lowest, whatever the lowest plat is. Plat 1, I guess. Yeah, plat 1. Someday I'll be good. What are you? Honestly, I'm not even that good. Obviously I'm not that good, but it's fun. I enjoy it. I think it's so much easier to enjoy the game if you like, personally, if I don't care, I feel like I do much better. Highest was G3. That's I mean, that's pretty close, right? Does it go to 5 or does it go to 3? The ranks. I forgot. 3. Okay. Another game I really liked. I never got really far into it because I was always playing solo queue, and it's a hard game to solo queue in. But I actually really like Rainbow Six Siege. I always thought that was a really good game too. Can't overthink as much. Smash Bros. And yeah. The only game that I've been playing lately, so I haven't been gaming that often, but I've been playing a lot of Deep Rock Galactic because it's very laid back, like chill, co-op. Maybe yeah. No, I feel that, Panda. Yeah, it's also just more enjoy. At least for me. I mean, if I'm with friends, I like trying hard, but like if I'm playing by myself, I like just kicking back and enjoying the game. I also, for some reason, I feel like I do better if I like make an alt account. So I have like my main account for like real ranked, and then I mean all ranked, but like for some reason having an alternate account that's also ranked, and like also like kind of not caring as much. Did that with Rocket League, yeah. I didn't do it with Valorant, but I did do it with a lot of FPS games, like when I was younger. But yeah, I think there's not much for us to do. I think tomorrow we're gonna do like a hardcore game dev stream, so I'll figure out everything else we need. Oh, so we did do this. Post on Twitter. Oh, I have to do that, but I'm gonna do it in the morning. Like when I make a post for the morning, say that our demo's out. I wonder. Oh yeah, we made I emailed some I think I'm gonna email some more publishers tomorrow too. That's a part of the plan. Well, yeah. And next Saturday, I don't think we'll be doing. Oh, actually, next Saturday is gonna be a 24-hour stream. So maybe we will play horror games. I wasn't thinking to do it, but if we're doing a 24-hour stream, we could. Alrighty, people. But thanks for watching. Oh, you know what I should do? I should export this. That way, when I run it again tomorrow, I assume this is fine. I don't know what this error is, but whatever. I'm sure it's fine. 24-hour stream. Yeah, we're gonna be doing 24 hours. Another one. I will never do. Yeah, I said after my first 30-hour stream, I said I wasn't gonna do another one, but I'm gonna do another one. One final 24-hour stream to kick everything off, or to end the Kickstarter campaign. By the way, if anyone's interested in seeing that, here's the page there. It's in celebration for the final day, and we're also gonna be doing a speedrunning competition this Friday, or starting the speedrunning competition this Friday. It's going to be a 100% run for the game that you can also find here. The demo is going to be that. I will be making some small updates over the week, but yeah, for the most part, it's just going to be that everything in that demo right there. And if you want to wishlist the game too, it's greatly appreciated. Let's see who's online. I know this was a short stream. We got the Coppinger, we got Hempuli, we got Trycatch, we got Adam C. Eunice, we got Hateful Box, who's playing Deep Rock Galactic. Oh, who's this? Planetary Ashes. We got, let me see. I might go for Coppinger because let me see. Programmer Jeff. I think we might have to go for Programmer Jeff. Let's see what Programmer Space Trader Games, C++, OpenGL, solo indie game. I think we're gonna go for Programmer Jeff. I don't think I've ever rated Programmer Jeff. Actually, yeah, I remember. I think I just found out Programmer Jeff streamed. So yeah, we're gonna go for for them. But yeah, thank you for watching, everybody. Gotta bounce. I'll see you finding focus. Thank you again for the raid. For the follows, Biley Raker, the Aya, Panda Coder, thank you for the raid again. And everybody lurking, thank you. I'll see you, K-Tronics. Have a good one. Clunky Chap. See you, Zeke. Thanks for the chat practical and for the no problem for the raid. I'm glad I did it. Yeah, me too. I hope to see more of you. There were some more follows and definitely more raids. For instance, Muglo, SD Tom, everyone was lurking. Yeah. Alrighty. Why are their ads still playing? I just want to see their stream first. Oh, Solar. Take care. I'll see you. Alrighty, people. Have a good one. If you want to send a raid message, we're gonna say, oh, hello. There's a raid message. There you go.